Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Talk More English.
Hi, friends. I am Jake, and this is Sarah.
Thank you so much for being here with us again today.
Today, we have a very important and useful topic for you.
Yes, today we talk about health in English.
Your health is the most important thing in your life.
And sometimes you need to talk about it in English.
Maybe you feel sick and need to see a doctor.
Maybe a friend asks you, "How are you feeling today?"
Or maybe you want to describe how your body feels to someone.
After this episode, you will know exactly what to say.
Simple words, short sentences, and lots of practice as always.
Are you ready? Let us take care of our English today.
Let us start with the most basic question about health.
The question is, how are you feeling today?
Or, how do you feel? Are you feeling okay today?
If you feel good, you can say, "I feel great today, thank you."
Or, I am feeling wonderful. I slept very well last night.
Or, "I feel healthy and full of energy today."
But if you do not feel good, you can say different things.
You can say, "I do not feel very well today."
Or, I feel a little sick. I think I need to rest.
Or, "I am not feeling great today. I feel very tired."
Tired means your body needs rest. You have no energy.
Let us practice. Repeat after me now, please.
I feel great today. Thank you.
I do not feel very well today.
I am not feeling great. I feel very tired today.
Great job. Now you can answer how you are feeling.
Now, let us learn about common health problems in English.
A headache. My head hurts. I have a headache today.
A stomach ache. My stomach hurts. I have a stomach ache.
A sore throat. My throat hurts when I try to swallow.
Sore means it is painful and uncomfortable in that area.
A cough. I have a cough. I keep coughing all the time.
A cold. I have a cold. My nose is running and I am sneezing.
Sneezing is when air comes out of your nose suddenly. Achoo.
A fever. I have a fever. My body temperature is very high today.
A toothache. My tooth hurts. I need to see a dentist soon.
A backache. My back hurts. I sat at my desk for too long.
You can also say, "I feel dizzy. The room is spinning around me."
Dizzy means you feel like everything is moving around you.
Let us practice these health problems. Repeat after me, please.
I have a headache. My head really hurts today.
I have a sore throat. It hurts when I swallow food.
I have a cold. My nose is running and I keep sneezing.
I have a fever. My body temperature is very high today.
Excellent. Now you can describe common health problems.
To talk about health, you need to know body parts too.
Let us learn the most important parts of the body quickly.
Head, the top of your body where your brain is located.
Eyes. You use them to see. I have brown eyes.
Ears, you use them to hear sounds and listen to people.
Nose. You use it to smell things and to breathe air.
Mouth, you use it to eat food and to speak words.
Throat. The inside of your neck. Food goes down your throat.
Chest, the front part of your body between your neck and stomach.
Stomach. The part of your body where your food goes after eating.
Back, the part behind your body from your neck to your waist.
Arms and hands. You use them to hold things and to write.
Legs and feet, you use them to walk and to run every day.
Now you can point to a body part and say where it hurts.
For example, my leg hurts, or my arm is sore today.
Let us practice. Repeat after me now, please.
My back hurts. I need to rest for a while today.
My eyes are tired. I looked at the computer screen all day.
My legs are sore. I walked a lot yesterday afternoon.
Perfect. You know all the important body parts now.
Sometimes you need to go to the doctor when you feel sick.
Going to the doctor can be scary in another language.
But we will teach you what to say. It is not hard.
First, you need to make an appointment with the doctor.
An appointment is a time you book to see the doctor.
You can call and say, I would like to make an appointment, please.
Or, can I see the doctor today? I am not feeling well.
When you arrive, the receptionist might ask you questions.
They might say, what seems to be the problem today?
Or, what brings you in today? How can we help you?
You can answer, I have had a headache for 3 days now.
Or, I have a cough and a sore throat since last Monday.
Or, my stomach has been hurting since yesterday morning.
Since means from that time until now. It tells when it started.
Let us practice doctor visit phrases. Repeat after me, please.
I would like to make an appointment, please.
I have had a headache for 3 days now.
My stomach has been hurting since yesterday morning.
Wonderful! Now you are ready to visit the doctor in English.
Now you are with the doctor. What happens next in the room?
The doctor will ask you questions about how you feel.
The doctor might say, where does it hurt? Show me, please.
Or, how long have you been feeling this way?
Or, do you have any other symptoms today?
Symptoms are the signs that show you are sick or not well.
Like a cough, a fever, pain, or feeling very tired.
The doctor might also say, I need to check your temperature.
Or, open your mouth, please. Let me look at your throat.
Or, take a deep breath, please. Breathe in and breathe out.
After the exam, the doctor will tell you what is wrong.
The doctor might say, you have a cold. You need to rest.
Or, I will give you some medicine. Take it twice a day.
Medicine is what you take to feel better when you are sick.
Let us practice. Repeat after me now, please.
It hurts right here. I have had this pain for 2 days.
I have a cough and a runny nose since last week.
How often should I take this medicine? Every day?
Great! You can communicate clearly with a doctor now.
After the doctor, you might need to go to the pharmacy.
A pharmacy is the shop where you buy medicine.
The doctor usually gives you a prescription for medicine.
A prescription is a paper from the doctor that says what medicine you need.
You take the prescription to the pharmacy and give it to them.
You can say, I have a prescription from my doctor, please.
Or, I need some medicine for a headache. What do you recommend?
The pharmacist might ask, do you have any allergies to medicine?
You say, no, I do not have any allergies.
Or, yes, I am allergic to a certain type of medicine.
The pharmacist will tell you how to take the medicine properly.
They might say, take 1 tablet twice a day after meals.
A tablet is a small round piece of medicine you swallow with water.
Let us practice pharmacy phrases. Repeat after me, please.
I have a prescription from my doctor. Here it is.
I need some medicine for a cold. What do you recommend?
Take 1 tablet twice a day after meals. Got it.
Now you can handle a pharmacy visit in English easily.
Sometimes your friend is sick and you want to help them.
You can give them simple health advice in English.
You can say, you should rest and stay in bed today.
Or, you should drink lots of water. It is good for you.
Or, you should see a doctor if you still feel bad tomorrow.
You should is a great phrase for giving friendly advice.
You can also say, try drinking warm tea with honey.
Or, make sure you get enough sleep tonight. Sleep is important.
Or, do not go to work today. Stay home and take care of yourself.
Take care of yourself means to do things that make you better.
Let us practice giving advice. Repeat after me, please.
You should rest and drink lots of water today.
You should see a doctor if you still feel bad.
Stay home and take care of yourself. Get some rest.
Now you can handle a sick friend with kind English words.
Let us hear a full sample conversation now. Listen carefully.
Okay, imagine Jake is feeling sick and calls Sarah for help.
Hey, Sarah, I am not feeling very well today at all.
Oh no, what is wrong, Jake? What are your symptoms?
I have a terrible headache, and my throat is very sore.
That does not sound good. Do you have a fever too?
I think so. I feel very hot and my body is shaking.
You should check your temperature with a thermometer right now.
I just checked. It is 38.5 degrees. That is high.
Yes, you definitely have a fever. Have you taken any medicine?
Not yet. I do not have any medicine at home right now.
You should go to the pharmacy and get some medicine today.
I think I need to see a doctor first. It is getting worse.
Good idea. Make an appointment as soon as you can today.
I will call right now. Thank you for your help, Sarah.
Of course, rest a lot and drink warm water with honey.
I will do that. I hope I feel better by tomorrow morning.
I hope so too. Take care of yourself, Jake. Feel better soon.
That was a natural health conversation between two friends.
Now pause the video and try to practice it yourself.
Let us also learn phrases about staying healthy every day.
Prevention is better than cure, so let us talk about good habits.
You can say, I try to exercise at least 3 times a week.
Or, I eat a lot of fruits and vegetables every single day.
Or, I drink 2 liters of water every day to stay hydrated.
Hydrated means your body has enough water inside it.
Or, I try to sleep 8 hours every night for good health.
Or, I wash my hands often to avoid getting sick.
You can also say, I go for a walk every morning for fresh air.
Or, I try to avoid too much sugar and unhealthy food.
Let us practice healthy habit phrases. Repeat after me, please.
I try to exercise at least 3 times a week.
I eat a lot of fruits and vegetables every day.
I try to sleep 8 hours every night for good health.
Great! Those are wonderful healthy habits to talk about.
Let us do a quick vocabulary review together now.
Headache, a pain in your head that makes it hard to think.
Stomach ache, a pain in your stomach area. It feels uncomfortable.
Sore throat, when your throat is painful and it hurts to swallow.
Cough, when air comes out of your mouth suddenly with a sound.
Cold, a common sickness with a runny nose and sneezing.
Fever, when your body temperature is higher than normal.
Dizzy, when you feel like everything around you is spinning.
Appointment, a time you book to see the doctor at the clinic.
Prescription, a paper from the doctor saying what medicine you need.
Medicine, what you take to feel better when you're sick.
Tablet, a small round piece of medicine you swallow with water.
Symptoms, signs that show something is wrong with your health.
These are all essential health words for your English vocabulary. Now, here is your practice challenge for today, everyone.
Imagine you feel sick today. Describe your health problem in English.
First say, I am not feeling well today.
Then describe your symptoms. I have a headache and a sore throat.
Then say how long. I have been feeling this way since yesterday.
Then say what you plan to do. I will see a doctor today.
Then give yourself advice. I should rest and drink lots of water.
Can you say all of that? Try it right now out loud.
Pause the video and practice. Your English gets better every time.
The more you speak, the more confident you will become.
Okay, everyone, it is time for our final review today.
Today, we learned how to talk about health in English.
We learned how to say how we are feeling today.
We learned common health problems and their English names.
We learned the most important parts of the body.
We learned what to say at the doctor's office.
We learned how to visit a pharmacy and buy medicine.
We learned how to give health advice to a sick friend.
We learned phrases about staying healthy every day.
And we practiced a full health conversation together.
You did an incredible job today. We are so proud of you.
Your health matters, and so does your English practice.
Please like this video and subscribe to Talk More English.
Leave a comment. Tell us how you stay healthy every day.
We love reading your comments. They inspire us so much.
Thank you for watching and learning with us today, everyone.
Keep practicing. Stay healthy. Your English is amazing.
See you in the next episode of Talk More English.
Bye-bye, everyone. Take care of yourselves. See you soon.
Bye. We believe in you. Stay well. See you next time.